Here is my advice if you want to start your own online business. Hey, by the way, this is Alan Mantaring from the beautiful country Philippines, teaching people how to make money online using your social media. First, you need to choose high ticket program or high ticket product, right? So the main reason is you don't need to find more people to earn like $1,000 to $3,000 every month, right? Second, you need to choose a program in which totally built in with done for you, or I mean done for you with done for you system. So because it will help you do the selling, follow up in email, even if you are working or you're doing something, right? Number 3, choose a program in which give you higher commission, right? So there are some program or products that give you 100 or 50%. Choose a program in which give you 60 to 100% commission. Yes, all your effort are paid off, right? So if you want to learn more, right, how to start this online business, just comment blueprint and I will send you the exact blueprint I use to earn $900 every single day.